Hey, this is Ten from Tability. So I wanted to show you something really cool that we added to the product. So our platform, it's a goal tracking platform. So it makes everything super visual. If you have your OKRs, it's going to make things a lot easier to manage. But one issue sometimes is that if you have a lot of goals already in spreadsheets, it can take some time for you to recreate the plans one by one. So now what you can do is, like, if you can format, your spreadsheet in this template, which is pretty easy, right? One plan per sheet, and then you just list the objectives and the key result. Then what you can do is that you can download this as an XLS file, and then I can go here, import plan, and then select this in here. And then if I click on import, it's going to create all the plans for me, right? So if I reload this, now my plans are created, and in here I can see my company OKRs, marketing OKRs, product OKRs, and this is already organized in a hierarchy. If I click through, all the goals have been added, which is pretty cool. And then I can look at it on the strategy map and see all my plans added in the platform. All right, so if you want to take a look at this, just go to Tability and you can give it a try today. Okay, thanks. See ya.